Alright, another video here for you guys, another short one, follow up. There's my patch over. You can get seam sealer. I couldn't find any local, so put that JB Weld in there to fill that gap up in from that sealer that they put on from the factory. Just if you're curious, this is a hole saw that I use, the 1 3/8, which is what the other factory one is further back here for that nut. If you run into the situation where that one's turning, so, but anyways, here's the end result. So and then to get that off or your carpet up, what you have to do, get this back down over here, is your carpet will be, you'll have your, there's a pad up here that goes over, and then you got a little foot piece here in the corner that sits up there, and you got a stud here and here out of your floor, and them are both 10 millimeters to get them out. And this pad goes down, and then you got your carpet here that goes down over, and then your pad or your foot rest lays over, and then you got your kicker panel here that comes down. This piece here, what that does is that slides up in here and it fastens here, and then down here, and one right here. There's no tools to get that out. You got to watch when you pull it out so you don't snap your clips, but that's what it takes to get your carpet and your pad up to and luckily your carpet under your center console there slides up underneath. So alright, so hopefully this is another follow-up on sizes again. This is a brand I used again, 1 3/8, and that was my fix. So alright, just figured I'd give you some more information on this repair. Alright, have a good one.